Hey everybody, my name is Faith and I'm a virtual assistant. That is kind of my main income, and recently I was thinking about hiring a subcontractor for my virtual assistant business, and I received a ton of basically resumes and portfolios from different virtual assistants, and I noticed a lot of different things that would make me not want to hire a virtual assistant, and it kind of just brought the idea to me that maybe I could share with you guys kind of like what I saw that were mistakes as a virtual assistant. The first mistake that I saw is spelling and grammar errors, and I can honestly say that probably like 98% of the portfolios and resumes that people gave me had spelling and grammar errors. As a hiring manager or as somebody who's looking for a virtual assistant, if you're going to be representing my company, I don't want somebody who's not going to be able to spell correctly or write correctly. So it is so important to make sure that in your portfolio you have good grammar. The second big mistake that I saw in portfolios was no original content. And what I mean is that people would send their portfolios and it was obviously just like a template that they got off Canva. After a while, you just see the same graphics over and over again, and it's not anything original. And it made me think, as somebody who's looking to hire someone, like, does this person actually know how to make graphics, or are they just copying everything in Canva? Now, it's one thing like if you actually worked for a business and you use Canva, but I don't want to see stock images in those pictures. Like, I need to see original photos that maybe the business took, maybe that you took. Like, I need to see something original. Now, if you have no experience working with a company, and I know that makes it a little more difficult to create original content, but you can do it. Just find a local company, or ask somebody that you know who owns a business and try to create just sample content for them. Because as a hiring manager, I want to know that you've actually can create something that's not just everybody else is gonna have. That said, I would also say that those who had a website of their own stuck out to me more, because a lot of people use the same portfolio template, and I just thought that the website really did add something. So you can create a free website. It doesn't even have to be, I didn't care if it was a free website or a paid, they actually got their domain name. You can go on Wix, you can go on WordPress, and you can create a free website. So that is just a little tip that I would give you. Maybe try to put your portfolio on a website rather than just some sort of template, because I just saw the same template over and over and over again. And the third mistake that I saw a lot is just too many words. There was like paragraphs and paragraphs of intros. I mean, when you have 100 basically portfolios to go through, I am not gonna read that. I am literally just looking at the work. I don't even care to read the about me section. All I want to know is, what does your work look like? What are the samples of your work? So that is the most important thing when you are applying for a position. Make sure you are putting that information that is easily accessible, that they could see all the samples of your work. People would apply for things and they wouldn't even send samples of the work. I don't care about your about or your intro or where you're from. I just want to see, can you do the job? Another thing, and actually I know I'm supposed to do like 3. I was going to do 3. I'm going to just give you a fourth tip, or a fourth thing that I saw that was bad, is like people would put their analytics of social media and like how many followers they got or how many accounts that were reached, and the numbers were just not high. Like, they reached 100 people, and I'm like, that doesn't show me that your post reached a lot of people. If you're gonna put analytics, then you need to put it needs to be something impressive, something that shows that you got 30 people is not impressive. So those are the mistakes that I saw a lot of virtual assistants make in their portfolio. I hope that this helps you to get hired, and if you need to go back and look at your portfolio and be like, actually, I need somebody to look over this and make sure there are no spelling or grammar errors, then go do that. If you realize, hey, I don't actually have any samples, you need to have some sort of sample of what you're trying to get hired for, because a resume is just not that impressive. Again, a lot of businesses, they want to know virtually they are hiring you. They don't know you. Yes, it's nice to know about you, but during the interview, they will learn about you. It's a lot more important to show impressive work. So I hope this helps somebody out there, and I hope you guys get hired as a virtual assistant somewhere. Okay, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.